What's up guys, I'm Céline Garnier. My favorite things about Neymar was to share with him some tricks. I showed him some tricks, he showed me some tricks, and it was like a great experience. I hope he will use some of them on the game, and I will be proud.